Let's go for a town. I like towns more. I do better in the. If this doesn't work out, we'll just go to the most remote location next time and just get some loot and then meet everybody in the end. I'm landing far side.
After this game, I have to go.
Okay. Let's try to make it a good one. I don't think there's somebody above
Yeah.
me.
You want to land at these warehouses?
I'm already actually landing.
Oh, okay, for sure. I see. There's a guy landing like I
Yeah,
know.
couple houses down from me.
I see. I see. I'm gonna try to loot. See. Oh look, big surprise. I have guns. All right. Yeah. After this fucking game, I'm getting off. This is stupid. Oh wow, cool. My vaulting mechanic is broken.
Is that huge breaking glass?
Yeah, that's so gay. My vaulting mechanic is broken. Now I have to literally jump and crouch through windows.
Nah, I think they ruined that for everybody. You can't like really jump through a window anymore. You gotta do just
Yeah,
like
you can. You just have to punch the window out first. You
uh
can't like walk through it anymore.
sucks.
That's fucking whack. You can't just walk through it. Yeah, you have to actually punch it out. That's fucking whack. But look, this shit's been happening to you. Like, see, you know how you can normally vault? Oh,
I think the guy went
it's
to
a
the
fucking glitch.
east
That's
side of the
happening.
town.
I think so. Trying to get out this fucking building. Oh my god. Alright, I'm just going through the fucking front door. Like, thanks, Pug. Yeah. Oh, he's right here. He's right here.
Where's he at?
145.
145. Across the
I'm gonna see
street
if I
building.
get a grenade. He's on top of this right here. I
Oh, I
just
see
threw
him.
a grenade up there.
Oh, he knocked him.
Yeah, I knocked him with the with the shotgun, not even the frag.
Ah, missed a frag, a flash. I
I
see his
don't think
friend
he has
coming.
grenades.
Yeah, he does.
Where at? Where is he coming from?
He's coming from upstairs. Fuck, I can't even switch to my gun, man. Okay, now he's going upstairs. Watch out. I'm right behind him. Please, no.
Oh, that's bullshit. I shot him straight in the face with the pump.
Stay
That's
still.
bullshit. But
Stay still.
if that was me, I would have been one shotted.
Just jump
Fuck.
off. Jump off when you're done.
Oh,
Oh,
watch out.
got him.
Nice, 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 nice.
I didn't want to be bitched like that for the last game.
For real, that's what I'm saying. Like, I was about to say, if we got hoed like that, that would have been horrible.
Let's grab a building and subverting.
Sure.
Alright, nah. Oh, fuck. Good shit. Alright, one of these right here.
Oh, there's a guy right there.
He's outside.
He's across the street. At the first story.
I see him. Alright, don't.
Clearing inside real quick.
Oh, I see him now. I'm gonna try to get a shot on him.
Where's he at? Oh.
He's around back. I hit him once.
Yeah, he got on his motorcycle. I got 2 shots on him.
Oh shit! Come on. Shit! I couldn't see him by then.
All right, let's get inside this 2-story right here.
All right. Was there any 9 in here?
I think I'm not too sure. I'm gonna bring the motorcycle inside just in case.
All right.
So if you can leave the door open.
Yeah, that's pretty smart. I thought to do that. There's a level 3 bag. Did you bring it upstairs?
Yeah.
That's some shit, bro. That's smart, because if we need to like fucking make a quick escape, we can just jump on that shit and drive down, run over the bitches. Close the door though, just let me get in first. Right.
Yeah.
And also maybe it'll block people from coming in.
It does. I think it does block people. Like they'd have to get on it
yeah.
in order to move it.
I mean, they could blow it up, but we just don't be near it, I guess.
Yeah.
Do you need a 4 times for your like second gun or something? Is that you?
No.
Careful, there's somebody throwing nades at us. Oh, I missed. Get out of here, I missed.
I'm going to walk out.
Threw a grenade down there. They're trying to get us, bro. Stay alert. They're throwing another
I
grenade.
know.
Let's see where. Hide.
Oh shit. I hurt the fuck out of me. I'm getting back here and
Get back, I'm gonna throw a Molotov right there. They can't get up here.
My guy just like blew back a little.
oh my god. Alright,
Oh, dude, there's a car right here. I'm about to take this car
back
later.
to hell.
We use the Uzi for now though. Shit, we can't really see him because that bike, but
It's alright. I don't know where we're at. I mean, they do, but I don't know if they're downstairs. Are they downstairs from us?
yeah, we're definitely around the building if they're throwing grenades that close.
I know they're. I don't know if they're in the same building though. Like if they're still inside.
Probably not.
We're in the next circle. Should we just stay in here? Fuck it.
Yeah, let's stay in here. I mean, they can't.
I know. Can I get by? That's a good window to go. And I think you can vault out this one.
Yeah, you
No,
can. It's just you used to be able to. I don't know if they got rid of it.
I don't know. It may be just my vaulting mechanic. That's all stupid.
Oh shit! They're right here outside. I'm gonna throw
Where?
a flash out. Just careful, move. I think he's right below. Dude, I don't think I'm gonna peek him too much. I'm just trying to see. He might be behind a barricade.
We just need to stay up here. If we're good. This motorcycle kind of protects us.
Yeah. I don't think they don't have any more
We're
grenades,
just like
that's for sure.
we're
Do you have any spare 7.62?
I believe so. One sec.
If it's not your main gun, don't give it to me, but if you got spare, you throw that smoke.
Okay. I had to do that.
Shit, the bike's moving out of the way now, they can come up.
Here you go.
Where's that? Okay. Yeah, careful on this bike. It's coming up. It's coming up. I totally just hit the
The
floorboard.
bike's in the way. Bike's
No,
in
for
my
me,
way.
it's not.
Okay. Cool. Never mind.
Kick your fucking head, motherfucker. I swear if I was a little bit closer, but the bike was in the way, I could have fucking shot the fuck out of him. Well,
Yeah, the bike officially stuck me in here.
Really? Shit.
Oh no. Cool.
Okay, dude, don't go in that room anymore. You don't want to get stuck in there.
Yeah, I know. I'm chilling. Oh yeah, he's on this side.
Careful when you go out there. He's gonna try to lure you out, and his
I want
friends
to try
gonna
to
shoot
jump.
you.
I want to try to jump down.
Nah,
He's
man,
right underneath me.
we got the circle. We'll wait it out.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right.
This is our time. Since it's your last game, if you were
This is
gonna
our
play
time.
them, but he's right here. He's right here. He's peeking.
Careful.
It's alright. I'm just fucking with him. Oh, he's peeking. Is it just him? Do you have any grenades?
I do. I just haven't tried throwing them yet because I don't want to waste them.
You should totally use it.
Oh, it's so
He's
clean.
first floor. Throw it downstairs.
Alright,
They
watch out.
ordered it inside of it. Crazy.
Cook it.
To the left or the right?
He's to the right. We're still safe, honestly, in here.
Yeah, we're safe.
Somebody's gonna come and he's gonna get his ass killed.
Good dog. Like, what the fuck? It looks like slash crumble. If we really wanted to, we can go out these windows right here and run into the blue building real quick. Into the first floor. And we'll be in the zone.
Wait, give me a second. Watch the stairs. I'm gonna switch to this car before we do that.
Okay.
I'm gonna use that.
Oh my god,
fuck.
he got me. Come up, come up, come up.
I'm gonna watch him. Is he dying fast?
Yeah.
I got him.
Nice, nice. Good shit, good shit. I hit him a couple of times with that fucking AK. I don't know why I didn't fucking kill him.
What happened? You peeked him or something?
Later. I want to take it to boats, but I want to only be hitting it off the now. I don't want to waste those bullets.
Need some 7.62 if you don't mind.
Yeah, no, take it. I'll drop some for you actually. I think I took it off.
You want that 2 times? Or that 4 times?
No, I'm good on scopes. Just bandage up. You said you need some 7.62?
No.
No?
I needed the 5.5. My bad.
Oh, okay.
5.5. All right, yeah. Let's move to this blue one right here.
All right, give me one second.
I mean, this next house.
I'm manning up.
It's clear. Or yeah, it's clear.
All right, give me one second. I'm manning up.
All right, we're gonna have to run.
Is it a fire run?
Yeah, far run.
Reload
try
up
to
real
see if
quick.
there's
There's a
some
guy
food.
out. There's a guy out in the storm.
Where?
I killed him. He died.
Nice, good shit.
He was bandaging up. Let's stay a little bit. We can see if people are running like that, but I don't think so. Now let's run. Let's run. Cause it's gonna catch up to us real quick. Yeah, it's gonna catch up to us.
All right, let's run right. This is where that guy was.
Yeah, he was running into the storm, but he died outside. I shot him out there. There's a crate to our left. Oh fuck, shots.
Towards you. You got shot at?
It was from my left. It sounded like. It could be behind us actually.
Yeah. I think it's up here, straight ahead, at these crates.
Nah, I'm hearing it from the west. I don't know how though. Or you would have to.
Northeast 50.
All right, we gotta run. Yeah, what degree did you say?
50, 55-ish.
I actually see him. He's 250. Yeah, he's running still.
Watch behind you.
I hit him. I knocked him.
Nice.
Fuck that guy. He's trying to shoot us.
He has a teammate running behind.
Oh, he does? Shoot his teammate.
Fine.
Oh, nice. I picked up an M24.
Yeah, his teammate left him. He's running in. Teammate's running in. To the left. Watch your right, watch your right.
I'm just running, fuck it, because the circle's hurt. He's in the buildings now. I got a confirmed kill on that guy. Just gonna lay low now.
There's a guy to the right over here. at 40.
Alright, just don't engage yet. You don't know who's around us.
He was healing his partner.
We got
So
him.
I killed him.
Good
I
shit,
killed
good
him as
shit.
he was healing.
We still got
I had
people
to
in the
take the
town.
opportunity. My bad.
No, you're good. If you see something, don't let me tell you otherwise. You know, you see it.
Yeah, there's a guy at 20 now. He's really far. He was the one that was engaging them.
Alright, I got an 8 times. I can see. I can see him. I see him. I see him. Stay still, motherfucker.
Let's shoot at the same time.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Shoot.
I missed. Sorry, I called that too late. Shit. I got eager because I had a headshot on him already, so I just took it and thought it would end him right there. Pretty much with the M24, man, it's an instant kill.
Oh my god, I've hit him like 3 times. I've hit him like 4 or 5 times. This is bullshit.
We got 20 seconds.
Yeah, let's push up. Yeah, he's shooting at me.
What? Same guy?
25.
I'm not seeing him.
Oh, I'm getting shot from somewhere else.
I see him. I see him. Oh, somebody got ran the fuck over. Watch out, car coming around us.
I got the kill. There's a guy still at 350, right here to our. Fuck, I got stuck. Oh my god, I'm getting stuck on the road. Yeah, guy running up
There's
on me right now.
people 275. Shit, where you at? You're way out there, aren't you? Where's he running up on you at?
Sorry, hold on. I think I could kill him. Hopefully I don't get spotted.
That's right, I'm right here with you. But we gotta get moving soon.
There's a guy coming up on me.
Shit. Did you get him?
Got him.
Alright. We need to make,
I have no first aid.
I'll drop you one. Come over here. I'm dropping
It's
one.
alright, I
here.
got off of him.
Okay.
I'm hitting this unload. I'm healing real quick.
Alright. We got this, man. There's only one guy. Just stick together.
Alright, yeah.
Run on me.
Hold on, I'm just grabbing more ammo.
If you got enough, if you got one clip, let's go. We can't risk being spotted.
You're good. I got you. I'm right here.
Alright. Let's just creep towards the circle. I think he was to the right, if I'm correct.
Yeah, he may be a little to the right.
I see him. He's 305.
I see him too.
Taking shot. Shit, I missed that. Careful, do not get in front of me. I'm gonna. Nice! Good game, man. Chicken dinner.
That was live. That was good for the last game. That was 5 kills. What'd you get?
I got 5 kills, Austin.
Nice, 10 kills. We got 10% of that fucking match. We got 5 whole teams.